Reflection from plane surfaces. Plane mirror is a thin, flat, and smooth sheet of glass having a shining coating of silver metal on one side. The silver coating is protected by red paint. Meaning of important terms are as follows to understand the figure. Incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called the incident ray. Point of incidence. The point at which the incident ray falls on the mirror is called the point of incidence. Reflected ray. The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called the reflected ray. Normal. The normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. It is a line which is perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence.